friends. Welcome back to our next session, that is, how to create a 3D model of a crane hook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more drawings. Today we are going to create a 3D model in simple steps. First we need to create shape of crane hook. For that, draw a circle for 8 units. Then a line for 15 units, upwards from the center point of the circle. Then 1 unit left side and 5 units upwards, as shown. Delete all other lines except last drawn. Draw one more circle using tan radius option with radius 10 units. Now trim unwanted portion of circle is showing. Now we got the shape of our model. We need to create profiles for creating width of model. Set UC as Z-axis in line direction. Drawing two circles for 1.5 units radius, using both endpoints as center point of circle. Draw a circle for 1 unit radius, for finishing portion. Create a body profile with two circles of radius 1.4 unit. And 1.75 units. Connect quadrant points of circles. Trim all unwanted lines. Join all parts of outer line as single one using command J. Region the profile using command RAG. Now choose loft option, select all profiles one by one. And finally select path option. Now we got the 3D object. Change visualize mode as realistic for better view. Draw extension portion for screwing. fillet edge for finishing portion. Radius is 0.5 unit. Apply material as you want. If you feel this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Yaas Solution.